Well, good morning, everyone. Hope everybody's having a fine beginning to the day. I know I am so far. And why is that? Because it's payday! Yay! Yes. Finally, at least for a day, I'm not going to be broke. Woo! This also means I'll finally get my camera mount printed. About time, too. Kind of been wanting that for a while now, since I started writing again. Add another view to the whole mix. Outside that, not a whole lot else going on. Other than staying up too late again, working on our new corner graphic for our vids. Well, that tends to happen. I get in that creative zone and I don't want to leave it. It's like I want to get done. Let's put Photoshop away. That's all you gotta do. Just put it away, go to bed. It'll be there tomorrow. Oh look, my light's on again. Whee! Well, if it's on now, I don't think it's a wiring issue. So I hold my mirrors in. Hold them out. Yeah, that's what I thought. Looks like it is still on. Yeah, I think I mentioned in my last vid that I had issues with the LEDs before. Well, either the controller's getting hot or the LEDs themselves are getting hot. I don't know which is happening at this moment. Well, I know it's intermittently failing on that right side. Yep, time to get some new LEDs, I guess. I mean, those Triton LEDs from the VLED site are rather expensive, especially for the switchbacks that I have. To say, it's been several weeks too since I last filled this bike up, and I've been riding rather profusely, and I'm still at a full tank. The fuel economy of motorcycles, so nice. Of course, and again, I do have a spare tank on the back, so it's a bit abnormal for most motorcycles. Slip right in. Traffic's a little bit heavier this morning since I putzed around at home trying to finish up the last frame in Photoshop for that corner animation. Like I said, it's what I get. I get into a creative mindset and I just want to go do it. The chicken and waffles. Pity they don't serve that at the cafeteria in the morning. Well, at least for me, it'd be gluten-free waffles and chicken. Which means I'll never get it in another restaurant. I'm not celiac. I do have a gluten sensitivity, I noticed. If I eat too much of it at once, it sends my heart rate up sky high. So yeah, that is a thing. It does exist. So I only figured that out by trial and error. I just got all sorts of lucky with the biological lottery. Fun stuff. Yep, always gotta watch the cars at the intersection. Like a hawk. You never know what the hell those people are gonna do. Well, my light's out again, so something's overheating. Gotta be. I'm gonna bet it's that controller. Yep, that's what I'm gonna guess. So I'm sure, later today, if I let the bike sit and I turn it back on after it's had a time to cool off, I bet that thing's gonna be active again. Well, I'm just about at work again. Don't have much else to cover or yammer about. So I will talk to you guys later. See ya.